This video is all about Loki, second season. Sige, sama na nga natin yung first, total babalik din naman siya dun. At the end of season 1, Loki and his variant Sylvie killed off He Who Remains, causing the branching off of multiple timelines. Kaso ang problema, yung loom sa TVA, hindi niya kinakaya yung dami ng timelines. So Loki and his allies tried to fix the loom. Kinuha pa nila si Victor Timely, yung original form ni He Who Remains, para tulungan sila. Pero wala pa rin, talagang destined na masira yung loom. Throughout the series, nagka-time slip si Loki until eventually na-control niya yung time slipping niya. So bumalik siya in time ng maraming beses. Nakalagay pa nga doon, centuries ang inabot niya para lang mapag-aralan yung repair ng loom. Nung hindi yun kinaya, mas inagahan pa niya yung balik niya. Until eventually, bumalik na siya dun sa time na bago nila patayin si He Who Remains. Kaya pala sinabi ni He Who Remains yung
See you soon.
dahil alam niyang babalik at babalik si Loki para pigilan si Sylvie. Pero ayaw patayin ni Loki si Sylvie. Until eventually, na-realize din niya yung kailangan niyang gawin. Sinira niya ang loom bago pa ito mag-overload at masira ng tuluyan yung TVA. No pruning of timelines and the TVA survives. Loki revived the dead timelines. Loki himself seemingly acted as the loom for all the timelines. So did Loki just become the creator of Yggdrasil? God of Gods na ba siya ngayon? I don't know. We'll see.